Taal volcano erupted in Philippines and thousands of people are escaping their homes. This is a volcano in the ring of fire of the Pacific Ocean, western part of it. And as you can see, the northern island of the Philippines is at the boundary of the plates, Pacific plate and the South China plate. And this is where the volcano inside the island, and which has also a lake, has erupted. The volcano, the magma of it, comes into contact with water, and in an explosion called phreatic explosion, it changes the magma into dust and ash particles, explodes in very strong blast, and buries everything on its way. There are no reports at the moment of any casualties, but people are escaping. The authorities are asking people to leave the area. It is not just one explosion. We have seen in this coming video, that there is other explosions around it. We see two centers of the explosion, one to the right, which is already finished. The other one is starting to this direction. So the volcano is going on strong. It may continue. As this water from the lake and from the sea seeps into the magma chamber, if it creates more explosions, it may lead even to some tsunamis. Krakatoa was an example of such an island which burst into the air. We will wait and see. We may end up with some red sunsets.